In today's video, let's talk about how to use Android phone as a baby monitor. Now, in order to do this, you'll need to repurpose your old phone's camera and microphone by installing a dedicated application or a dedicated video streaming utility such as Vivino Baby Monitor. So you can simply open up your Play Store, search for this. Make sure you install this on both the old and the new Android device that you're trying to use in order to monitor your baby. Once you've done that and once you have installed both of the applications, make sure that you're connected to a same Wi-Fi. And once you've done that, you need to select roles. Basically, the phone that is going to be used as a video recorder would be set as a baby station, which is the camera, and the phone that you currently use is going to be the parent station. So you simply would be able to scan a QR code from your new device to the old device so that the cameras are connected. Instead of Vivino, you can also use another platform or another application which is called Luna Baby. It is also a similar thing where you need to pair both of these applications or both of your devices using this exact application. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.